So why, might you ask, are we building the Leaning Tower of Pisa out of chocolates and cookies?
Using them. Did it fall over?
No. Well, like many of you, hey, back on your side of the board. It didn't, it's fine. Everything's going according to plan over here on my side. We've been very bored during lockdown, so we thought it would be fun to have a little competition and see who could build the Leaning Tower of Pisa out of chocolate for no reason at all, other than we have absolutely nothing else to do.
I thought this would be a nice challenge. And also, if you're wondering what this brown line in the middle of your screen is, well, that is a chopping board divider so that we cannot see the other person's work, progress, systems, or project.
Just stretching.
No, it hasn't started yet. All right.
This is the mission we must complete.
Project Pisa.
And guys, we don't want you to pick teams or anything, but it is going to be up to you to comment below and tell us who you think won at the end of this. 30 minutes?
Wayne?
It's 30 minutes. And
Okay.
1 hour and 30 minutes? 0 hours, 30 minutes, and 0 seconds.
Go.
Go.
Okay.
Oh God.
Alright, where's my picture? Wait, the
No,
picture's...
they're starting to melt because it's so hot.
Oh, yeah, Rolla's always not.
Don't look over here.
You made me look when you said, oh.
Stay behind the board. We never decided on a height limit.
Okay,
You know
what's
that?
the height limit?
I don't know.
What is the height limit?
The limit does not exist.
Ooh.
If a chocolate piece is broken, does that mean I can eat it if it's in it?
You can eat whatever you want, but if you run out of resources, not my problem. I'm not lending you my resources. Alright, Maddie Moo, you got this, huh?
Is this how you give yourself pep talk?
Yes.
I thought this
No.
through, but I don't think I actually did.
You figured out how to make it lean. Don't forget you have to make it lean, eh?
Does height count? I mean, I guess the higher it is, the more...
No, it has to be grammatically correct.
What does that mean, grammatically correct?
What do you call it? Anatomically correct.
I don't think that's what you mean either.
Anatomically correct. Oh, is my lean coming in? Yes, you
What
are.
are you doing? I really want to know because you sound very confident over there.
I'm getting my lean in.
Okay, I'm just gonna eat the extra pieces.
Check that, guys, huh? The lean is there.
Oh, I feel like I'm playing like chocolate Jenga, except I get to eat the pieces.
Ah. What?
I'm so worried.
Oh, no.
No. Okay.
Oh, yes.
What's happening? No. It doesn't help that it's 85 degrees. Is this what it's like being on like those Master Chef shows?
Yes.
I feel like Gordon Ramsay right now.
I'm pretty sure they actually make things. We're just kind of using them. Did it fall over?
No! It didn't, it's fine. Everything's going according to plan over here on my side. I'm so hungry. I love Oreos.
Oh, no.
I can't have this happen to me again. How high are we making it?
6 Oreos. 6.
6 Oreos, is that what we
Look,
decided?
each biscuit should be one of the rounds. I thought you'd figure that out.
I only have 4.
You lie. Well, did you not look at the picture?
I did, but I didn't know we were building to scale, you know? I'm about to do something that could totally destroy this entire operation.
Oh, no. Why do I hear alcohol being poured?
What? Nothing. Yours is what?
It spins on the spot.
Does it spin? I find that highly unlikely.
Oh, because I used the glue right.
You're the one that said the Nutella doesn't work. The Nutella
No, I
doesn't
don't think the
work.
chopsticks were a good idea.
They were your idea.
Are you using them?
Yes.
You lie.
I shouldn't tell you my secrets. I shouldn't tell you.
No, don't tell me. Oh no, broken biscuits. Oh no, broken Oreo. I'm not a 1-minute man.
You want 5 more minutes?
Yes, please. I'm actually blown away by my professionalism. Have you ever seen the Leaning Tower of Pisa in person?
No, but I peed in Pisa once at the train station. They charged me €1.
Yes, I remember that. Alright, so I definitely think I've won this. I haven't looked at hers yet, but I think mine's pretty good.
I just put the last Jenga piece on my tower. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I won. I mean, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, size relation, look at that, eh?
Actually, mine's size related perfectly. Okay, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes and lift up the board.
Do not knock your thing over.
Are you ready?
Just slide it
1,
back.
2, 3, 4, 5.
What? How did you keep your side of the
That is
table so clean
impressive.
also? Oh, I see what you did there.
Huh?
Wait, what is
Oh,
that?
you're so smart with your little chopsticks. Wait, what was
what is that gooey stuff right there?
Bar 1, chopped into thin slices.
You cut the bar ones?
Of course I did. Yours is a bit jagged leaning.
But that's,
Mine has a natural curve.
but if you think about it, my columns
Okay, fair, your columns are
are
impressive.
separated. You see how on the leaning tower it's not all
That's
one.
fair. How did you make that so messy?
Look at my side of the table, first of all.
Okay, wait, what was your strategy? Did you build it from bottom to top?
Yes. So what I did was I opened both packs of Rolos and I made the base. Then I put the biscuit, these beta snack biscuits. One Oreo, so when you said one thingy, I had 3 Oreos stacked originally,
Yeah.
and then 2, and then it started to tip. So and the whole thing fell over. And then I just went down to 1 Oreo, 1 biscuit, 1 Oreo. But I used Nutella as the glue the whole way up, and then I spliced the...
It's so messy.
I know, look at my side of the table.
Look
You
at
don't
that
even
glue
look
on.
like you've touched anything.
No, because you're supposed to hide the glue. Hide the glue. Look, I feel like I could soothe yours a little bit. See what I did?
I'm eating the glue.
What I did was I just built each piece separately, and then I slowly, when I put one on top of the other, I wrapped the bar one. Next one, wrapped the bar one. Next...
So you you made it on the side before continuing.
Yeah. You need another Oreo on top.
No, I don't.
You do, because look at this.
Did you know
top.
that's the last piece I put because the first
Okay.
time I almost did it, the whole thing almost tipped. So I said, hey, better not. And now it's stuck.
That is impressive. I'm impressed.
Okay, guys, you're gonna have to settle the debate because clearly mine's better. But we'll let you guys vote. Let us know in the comments below who you think won. And hey, you know, if you're bored at home and you've run out of puzzles, try the Pisa chocolate challenge that we just made up.
Just remember, hashtag Pisa Chocolate Challenge, eh?
It goes nowhere. This is...
Invented by the global expats.
Yeah, okay, cool. We invented it. That's cool. You got Nutella on your
Pisa Chocolate
You
Challenge.
got Nutella on your face. It's right there.
Okay.
It's right there.